Want to grow your money but don't know where to start? It feels like everywhere you look, someone's getting rich from investing, but it can be intimidating trying to figure it out on your own. The good news is, with so many investment apps out there, it's easier than ever to start building wealth right from your phone. You don't need a finance degree or a ton of money to get started. These apps can help you invest smarter, save time, and potentially maximize your returns. Whether you're a complete beginner with just a few bucks to spare or a seasoned pro looking for powerful tools, there's an app out there that's perfect for you. In this video, I'll break down the 10 best investment apps in 2025. We'll look at their strengths, what makes them stand out, and who they're best suited for. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which app aligns with your financial goals and investing style. Let's dive in and get you on the path to financial freedom. First up is Robinhood, the app that revolutionized the game by bringing commission-free trading to the masses. Robinhood is perfect for beginners dipping their toes into the market and casual investors looking for a simple way to trade stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. The app's clean and intuitive interface makes it incredibly user-friendly, even if you've never invested before. It's like the iPhone of investing, super easy to pick up and use right away. You can buy and sell securities with just a few taps, track your portfolio's performance, and even set up recurring investments. However, it's important to note that Robinhood's simplicity comes at a cost. While it's great for basic trading, it doesn't offer the advanced research tools, educational resources, or in-depth analysis that some more experienced investors might need. Think of Robinhood as a gateway to the world of investing. It's a fantastic starting point, but you might find yourself outgrowing it as you gain more experience and knowledge. Next up is Acorns, the app that makes investing completely automatic and effortless. Acorns is built on the idea of micro-investing, allowing you to invest your spare change without even thinking about it. Here's how it works. Every time you make a purchase with a linked debit or credit card, Acorns rounds up the transaction to the nearest dollar and invests the difference into a diversified portfolio of low-cost ETFs. Let's say you buy a coffee for $3.50. Acorns rounds it up to $4 and that extra 50 cents gets invested. It might not seem like much, but these small amounts add up over time, especially when combined with the power of compound growth. Acorns is like a digital piggy bank that automatically invests your spare change, making it a fantastic option for beginners or anyone who wants to start investing passively. Alright, moving on to number 3, we have Webull. Now, if you're someone who likes to really dig into the data, analyze trends, and make informed investment decisions, Webull is like your personal trading playground. Forget basic charts. Webull gives you access to level 2 market data, customizable technical indicators, and a whole suite of charting tools that would make even the most seasoned day trader feel right at home. But hold on, it gets better. Webull also understands the value of a dollar, so they're offering commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options. Yeah, you heard that right. You get all these powerful features without the hefty trading fees. It's a win-win, my friends. Let's be real, not everyone has the time or desire to become a full-blown stock market whiz, right? And that's perfectly okay. That's where Betterment comes in. Betterment is a robo-advisor, which basically means it takes the stress and guesswork out of investing by doing it all for you. You just tell them your goals, your risk tolerance, and how much you're looking to invest, and their sophisticated algorithms take care of the rest. Think of it like having a personal financial advisor, but without the expensive fees and stuffy office meetings. Betterment will automatically build and manage a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds tailored to your specific needs. Alright, let's talk about crypto, because let's face it, it's not going anywhere anytime soon. And when it comes to dipping your toes into the world of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all those other digital assets, Coinbase is the OG, the go-to platform for millions of users. What I like about Coinbase is that they make it incredibly simple to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies. It's like the Robinhood of crypto, with a clean, beginner-friendly interface that even your tech-challenged uncle could figure out. But don't let the simplicity fool you. Coinbase is a serious platform with top-notch security measures to keep your precious crypto safe and sound. They use industry-standard encryption, two-factor authentication, and even store the majority of their digital assets offline in cold storage. So you can rest assured your crypto is in good hands. Alright, coming in at number 6 is M1 Finance. Now, this platform is perfect for you if you're the type of person that likes to be in the driver's seat, but still wants some of that sweet, sweet automation. Imagine having the freedom to choose your investments while also benefiting from automated features that make your life easier. It's like having the best of both worlds. Think of it like this: you're building a house. You wouldn't just let anyone pick out the materials, right? You'd want to ensure that every brick, every piece of wood, and every nail is of the highest quality. You wouldn't just let anyone pick out the materials, right? You'd want to choose the best bricks, the sturdiest wood, the highest quality, everything. This is exactly what M1 Finance allows you to do with your investments. You'd want to choose the best bricks, the sturdiest wood, the highest quality, everything. With M1 Finance, you get to do just that with your portfolio. You have the power to handpick each element that goes into your investment strategy. With M1 Finance, you get to do just that with your portfolio. They call these custom portfolios pies, and you can fill them up with different slices of stocks, bonds, even other ETFs. This means you can create a diversified portfolio that suits your specific needs and goals. They call these custom portfolios pies, and you can fill them up with different slices of stocks, bonds, even other ETFs. This level of customization is what really sets M1 Finance apart. You can tailor your investments to match your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial objectives. This level of customization is what really sets M1 Finance apart. It's not just about picking random stocks, it's about crafting a portfolio that perfectly aligns with your financial goals. Whether you're saving for retirement, a new home, or your child's education, M1 Finance gives you the tools to build a portfolio that works for you. It's not just about picking random stocks, it's about crafting a portfolio that perfectly aligns with your financial goals. But hold on, it gets even better. Remember how I said M1 Finance is great for people who like automation? But hold on, it gets even better. Remember how I said M1 Finance is great for people who like automation? Well, once you've built your perfect pie, M1 Finance takes over. It automatically rebalances your portfolio so you don't have to constantly monitor it. Remember how I said M1 Finance is great for people who like automation? Well, once you've built your perfect pie, M1 Finance takes over. It automatically rebalances your portfolio so you don't have to constantly monitor it. This means you can spend less time worrying about your investments and more time doing the things you enjoy. Well, once you've built your perfect pie, M1 Finance takes over. It automatically rebalances your portfolio so you don't have to constantly monitor it. This means you can spend less time worrying about your investments and more time doing the things you enjoy. Imagine having the peace of mind knowing that your investments are being managed efficiently while you focus on living your life. It automatically rebalances your portfolio so you don't have to constantly monitor it. This means you can spend less time worrying about your investments and more time doing the things you enjoy. So, if you're looking for a platform that gives you the best of both worlds, customization and automation, then you need to check out M1 Finance. This means you can spend less time worrying about your investments and more time doing the things you enjoy. So if you're looking for a platform that gives you the best of both worlds, customization and automation, then you need to check out M1 Finance. It's like having a personal financial advisor, but without the hefty fees. So, if you're looking for a platform that gives you the best of both worlds, customization and automation, then you need to check out M1 Finance. It's like having a personal financial advisor, but without the hefty fees. Plus, you can get started with as little as $100, so there's no excuse not to give it a try. It's like having a personal financial advisor, but without the hefty fees. Plus, you can get started with as little as $100, so there's no excuse not to give it a try. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, M1 Finance offers a user-friendly platform that can help you achieve your financial goals. Plus, you can get started with as little as $100, so there's no excuse not to give it a try. With its combination of customization, automation, and low entry cost, M1 Finance is a fantastic option for anyone looking to grow their wealth over the long term. Coming in at number 7 is Stash, a fantastic app that's specifically designed with beginners in mind. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your skills, Stash offers a user-friendly interface that makes the process less intimidating. Not everyone's a financial expert, and that's perfectly okay. Many people feel overwhelmed by the idea of investing, but Stash simplifies it in a way that makes it accessible to everyone. Stash gets that, and they've created an app that makes investing accessible and easy to understand, even if you're just starting out. The app provides educational content to help you learn as you go, so you're not just investing blindly. Now, one of the things I really like about Stash is that it goes beyond just investing. It offers a holistic approach to personal finance. They also incorporate budgeting tools directly into the app. This means you can manage your investments and your day-to-day finances all in one place. This is huge because, let's be honest, understanding your spending habits is the foundation of building wealth. Without a clear picture of where your money is going, it's hard to make informed investment decisions. Stash helps you track your income and expenses so you can see exactly where your money is going. This feature is particularly useful for those who are new to budgeting and need a little extra guidance, but here's the real kicker. Stash lets you start investing with as little as $5. That's right, $5. This makes it incredibly accessible for anyone, regardless of their financial situation. You don't need thousands of dollars to get started. This low barrier to entry is what makes Stash so appealing to younger investors or those who are new to the game. This low barrier to entry is what makes Stash so appealing to younger investors or those who are new to the game. It allows you to dip your toes in the water without breaking the bank. And don't let the simplicity fool you. Stash still offers a decent selection of investment options. You can choose from a curated list of ETFs and individual stocks, all categorized by themes that resonate with your values. Whether you're passionate about clean energy or want to support companies with strong social responsibility practices, Stash has got you covered. It's a great way to align your investments with your personal values, making your financial journey not just profitable, but also meaningful. Alright, moving on to number 8, we've got Fidelity, a true powerhouse in the investing world. Now, this one's a little different from some of the others we've talked about. Fidelity is not for the faint of heart. This platform is for serious investors. People who are ready to dive deep into the market and take control of their financial future. One of the things that sets Fidelity apart is their research capabilities. They've got a team of analysts who are constantly crunching numbers and providing in-depth reports on companies and market trends. We're talking top-notch research, the kind of stuff institutional investors pay big bucks for, and Fidelity doesn't just give you access to this research, they make it easy to understand. Their app has a clean, intuitive design that makes navigating complex financial data a breeze. Plus, they've got a ton of educational resources available, including webinars, articles, and even one-on-one coaching sessions with financial professionals. But here's the real kicker. Fidelity offers $0 commission fees for stock, ETF, and options trades. Coming in at number 9 is eToro, and it's a game changer, especially if you're new to the investing world. eToro is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for beginners to get started without feeling overwhelmed. Or maybe you just want to see what others are doing. What sets eToro apart is its social trading feature. Think of it like social media, but for investing. You can actually follow other investors, check out their portfolios, and even copy their trades automatically with CopyTrader. This means you can learn from the best without having to spend years studying the markets yourself. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that risky? Well, eToro lets you see each investor's track record, risk score, and how their portfolio has performed historically. This transparency allows you to make informed decisions about who to follow and copy. You can filter investors based on their performance, risk level, and even the assets they trade. It's like having a window into the minds of seasoned investors. But remember, just like any investment, past performance doesn't guarantee future returns. It's important to do your own research and not rely solely on others' strategies. Diversification is key, and eToro makes it easy to spread your investments across different assets and strategies. eToro is all about making investing accessible and even a little fun. You can learn from more experienced investors, diversify your portfolio by following different strategies, and potentially boost your returns. The platform also offers a range of educational resources including webinars, tutorials, and market analysis to help you become a more informed investor. Plus, they have a really cool virtual trading feature that lets you practice with $100,000 of virtual cash before you put your real money on the line. This is a great way to get comfortable with the platform and test out different strategies without any financial risk. If you're someone who likes to learn by watching and interacting with others, eToro might just be the perfect platform for you to explore the world of investing and potentially grow your wealth. The community aspect of eToro is one of its strongest features, allowing you to connect with like-minded individuals, share insights, and stay updated on market trends. So, whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, eToro offers tools and resources to help you succeed in your investment journey. Rounding out our list at number 10 is Public, and it's shaking things up in the investing world with its unique approach. You see, Public is all about making investing more accessible, more transparent, and dare I say, even enjoyable. The app itself is super clean and easy to navigate, even if you've never invested before. But what sets Public apart is its focus on community. Think of it like a social network, but for investors. You can follow friends, family, even experts, and see what they're investing in and why. And there you have it, the 10 best investment apps to help you grow your money in 2025. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up your investing game, there's an app here for you. From commission-free trading on Robinhood to the social investing revolution of eToro, the power to grow your wealth is literally at your fingertips. Remember, the best investment app for you depends on your individual needs, goals, and risk tolerance. Do your research, explore the different features, and don't be afraid to try out a few different platforms before committing. The most important thing is to start investing early and consistently. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others invest smarter. See you in the next one.